Okay guys, today we will tackle about the differential operators. What is differential operators? Differential operators is an operator that denotes differentiation, that is, when applied to a function, a derivative is obtained. So here, if we let D be a differential operator, so for the first, this one, so D subscript of x, which is means the first derivative with respect to x. Then the other one, D with superscript 2 and subscript x, which means the second derivative with respect to x. Then the third one, the D with superscript 3 and subscript x, which means the third derivative with respect to x. Then last, D with superscript k and subscript x, which means the kth derivative with respect to x. So then in general, D with superscript k and subscript x, k which means the order of the derivative, and the x which means the independent variable. So here, D with superscript x, hindi pala, D with superscript k and subscript x is normally written as D to the k, which is disregarding the subscript. If no subscript is written, it is understood that it is with respect to the x unless otherwise stated. So here, D with superscript k can be read as D to the k. So the D2, which can be read as D squared, then here is D cubed and D fourth, and so on. But you have to keep in mind that k means order and not exponent. We should also remark that the differential operator is approximately called a derivative operator because it gives a derivative instead of a differential. Okay, here, when we apply to a function y is equals to f of x, we get d with subscript of x followed by y, or also means d followed by y it is equals to derivative of y with respect to x. And here, d subscript to k, d with superscript k and subscript x followed by y, or also means d raised to k followed by y, which is equals to k derivative of y with respect to x, which means that dy is applied by y, and here d with superscript k followed by y, which is means d to the k applied to y. So that's it about the concept of differential operators.